Hi. So in this video, we're going to be exploring the concept of characters and their ASCII equivalent. Alright. Now here I have a simple program where I ask the user to enter a character and then we print out what has been captured. So let's see the outcome. So if I enter a character, let's say A, it prints out A. Correct? If I enter another character, let's say R, it captures that and prints it out. Now, if I were to for any character, or for any character that I enter, there is actually an equivalent value or numerical value associated with it, and that is what we call the ASCII value. Alright, so that is obtained from this table called the ASCII table. Okay, now there are many online resources, alright, to where you can go and download this table. So how do you spell it? ASCII, A-S-C-I-I. Okay, and basically what it does, it gives you the numerical equivalent for every character, all right, that you enter. Okay, again this is a standard, all right, so that whenever we manufacture a keyboard, all right, the manufacturer knows the kind of codes that we must send to the operating system to print out the characters that we want to be captured. Okay, so that is why we have a standard, and that standard is defined in this table. Okay, so how do I find out the equivalent? All right, now if I look at this table here, for example, if I look at A, for example, uppercase A, all right, you can see the uppercase A, all right, over here has an equivalent value of 65. Okay, 65. All right, and if you take, for example, R, it has a equivalent value of 82. Alright, so how do I get the code to print out this value? Okay, so all I need to do is I'm going to print out one more line over here, and what I'm going to say is the ASCII value. Now how do I get the ASCII value? Instead of printing it out as a character, I need to cast that character into what we call an integer data type, int. Alright, so when I do this, I'm taking the actual character value, but I'm going to print out the numerical equivalent, okay, of that character value. So now when I run it, if I key in capital A, I get a value of 65, okay, which is what we saw over here. Alright, if I run it one more time, okay, I key in R, I get 82. Again, that's what we saw over here. Alright, so this gives us a very important concept that every character that we enter is actually mapped to an equivalent ASCII value. Alright, and another important concept that I just showed you is the concept of casting. Alright, so even though the variable is declared as a character, during program execution I can allow the variable to behave as a different data type temporarily by casting. So in this statement, I am temporarily casting the character variable to behave as if it is an integer. Alright, and to do casting, you just put the data type, okay, within the brackets, okay, before the variable name. Alright, so I hope that this concept of casting and ASCII values are a bit more clearer with this video. Okay, thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.